The next application I want to speak to you about is Urban Spoon. Now this is a really cool application because I'm always around with friends or wherever. I'm always trying to figure out where to eat. It's like, hey, let's go and get some food. Well, as you can see, Urban Spoon uses a GPS to figure out where you are, and then you can literally either shake it or press the shake button, and it will randomly choose a restaurant around you that you can eat at. As you can see, it picked out Sabores Chilenos right here, and you can get the information about the restaurant, phone number, address, everything, what kind of food it is, and you can even look at rating information on Urban Spoon and see what other people have said about it. Now, if, for example, this has three money marks right there, $3 signs, that means expensive. Say I wanted some cheap eats. Me and my friends are like, no, let's get something cheaper. Well, you can set it to $1 sign and lock that wheel and get only cheap eats around you. So there you go, and shake it and say, hey, there's a nice cheap Cuban place called Cuban Light by Fat Busters. So hey, this looks like a diet place, and get some information there. It's a really great application to find restaurants or places you haven't eaten to before and expand your palate. So that's Urban Spoon by Urban Spoon. So the next application I want to talk to you about is called Midomi. This is Midomi by Melodious Corporation. And this is a great little app. If you've ever had a song stuck in your head and you don't know what the hell the song is, or you're listening to the radio and you don't know what the hell the song is, the title, the artist, this is the application for you. It allows you to either sing the song in front of you. So let's, for example, sing Paramore. So nothing compares to a quiet evening alone, just a 1-2. I was just counting on that never happens. I guess I'm dreaming again. So there we go. We stop that, and it'll search through its database and find what song you were singing. So hopefully it comes up with the right answer. So it's searching, and loads up, and there it is. Crush, Crush, Crush by Paramore is right up top, and you can listen to the song to make sure that it is the song you're looking for. And it is Crush, Crush, Crush by Paramore. So, in comparison, you can also hum the song. You don't have to sing it like I did. You can also say the song title, or even put it up to the speakers and record the song to find out what song is playing on radio right now. So, as you can see, it's a great little app for finding those songs stuck in your head. And I'll definitely be making use of this because I'm always forgetting artists' names. The next application is Facebook by, of course, Facebook. And as you can see, it tells me to have 12 messages on my Facebook list. It allows you to browse your friends, your contacts, all that stuff, your friends' messages, everything, and your inbox. The really cool part about it is that when browsing your friends, it shows it just like the address book, and you can look up your friends' information and their address, phone numbers, everything, and dial them straight from the application here. So it serves as a supplementary address book, online address book to the iPhone's own address book. So if you're a Facebook junkie, just like half of the online world out there, then Facebook is a great application for your iPhone. The next application I want to talk to you about is Evernote by, of course, Evernote. If you've followed me around the site, you know that I love Evernote. It's my outside brain. It keeps track of all kinds of things for me. As you can see, Evernote allows you to see all your notes that you have stored. It allows you to search through your notes just like as if you were on the web, and it also allows you to add new notes. You can either add a text note, an audio note. You can speak right into this speaker. You can make a snapshot, so you can take a picture of what you're doing right now and add it to the Evernote servers. So there you go. It's if you're an Evernote junkie, that is the app for you. And if you haven't tried Evernote, it's a great little application to keep track of receipts, any little pieces of paper, so you can get rid of all those papers, so you're not as much of a pack rat. The next application I'm going to talk to you about is this is a fun application. It's the last application I want to review for you. It's called Phone Saver, and this is by Alex Price. And it really doesn't have much use except for just being fun. As you can see here, it just shows a little lightsaber, and you can press it, and boom, the lightsaber comes on. And just like the MacBook lightsaber application, if you move the iPhone around, it does a little lightsaber noises. So you can have your own little lightsaber battles with your iPhone. And you can, of course, change the color of your lightsaber. You can have a red one or a purple one. if you so wanted. So there you go, I have a purple lightsaber, or I want a red lightsaber. So of course it's a fun little app. It's just to mess around. So it's all kinds of fun. That's Phone Saver by Alex Price. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the best 10 free apps for your iPhone available right now on the App Store for you to get. Now, this was our first video feature, so if you have any feedback or comments on how we can make this better, of course, then please add them to the post right below you, or of course, send the feedback over to dendenboy@homotron.net so we can make this better for you. Again, this is Den Den Boy signing off. Until next time, bye!